design to turn from inside, then bring it outside. I get someone to iron this, will work on the back. So here's how the front is going to look like. All right, so for the back, we already cut out the facing from the last class. So what we're going to do is we're going to start joining from the inside. This is the inside of our fabric and this is the outside. So I'm going to start joining from the inside, placing it this manner, in this form. So I'll turn it around. So in this case, I'm going to be top stitching on the main fabric. Moving on to the plackets for the front. Here I have the fabric of 2.5 inches. That's the width here. The width here is 2.5 inches and the length of this slit is 5 inches. So this length is 7 inches. Here is 7 inches by 2.5 inches. To fold it, first you need to fold into two like this. You double the folding, then you also fold in the edges just like this. I have my my interface, that's a soft stay ironed inside it. So I'm going to be joining like this, leaving a little space up here. I'm going to start joining and stop here where I notch, just like this. Okay, so like I said, we are just going to follow the other procedure like what we did. So I've joined those parts and we are going to turn it to close it up here, after which I'm going to top stitch on it. Now at the base, after folding, we're going to fold it in this manner. You can take 1 inch, 2 inches or 1.5 inches like this. Then I'm going to fold it in equal half like this. So you measure your 1 inch and slants. That's at the base. So for easy sewing, I am going to cut off the one underneath. I'm going to start my joining, and then I'll stop. Here is the where the slit stops. So I'm going to stop at this point as well, then cross it over. Okay. So I'm going to continue. So just follow the shape that you have at the base. So we are good. The next thing we're going to do is to bring the back, but first I have a design. Here's just my design that I want to place. So after the placket, what we are going to do is bring in the back. Here is the back. Here is our placket. Here is our yoke. Then the front is placed on it like this. So I'm going to be using the yoke to turn, just like this, and join. So I'm going to be repeating the same to the other side. Afterwards, I'm going to top stitch the yoke. So the front and the back is done. Don't mind this extra that I have here. Here is just a basic top. What I have here is just a kind of design just for me. So here's the front and here's the back. So what we're going to be doing, which is the last thing, is to top stitch on the yoke, and you can go ahead to fix the sleeve of your choice. So the next thing we're going to do is to join the sides, and that is it.